Okay, in this video, I'm going to be looking at how we can print out the ASCII character codes as their symbol partners using chars and ints. So, um, in Java, we can declare a char. So I'm going to say char my char, and rather than having to make it equal, say, an actual char like we would do there, what we can do instead is we can make it equal an integer. So 67 in ASCII is a capital C, and I can test that by printing out systemout.print line, and I can print out my char, and now I have C printed. So if I wanted to print out a whole sentence, what I could do is I could declare a char array equals, and I'll do the quick way of declaring an array, and then I could just fill this with different inputs. I'm just going to fill them with random ones. I don't know what this is going to say. Oh, what have I pressed? Something that's made my Mac pause. Right. Okay, so I can declare a char array, and rather than filling it with actual chars, I'm going to fill it with integers. And then I can print it by looping through, just like I normally do with an array. So in I equals 0, while I is less than my char dot length I plus plus, and system dot out dot print my char I. Okay, so I've declared my char, I've set up my loop, and now I can print out my char array. And now I've printed co9 space nx. If I wanted to, I could also go back the other way. So I could, actually, let's just do this down here with another one. So I'm going to say char, second char equals, I'm going to make it actually equal something, a char. If I want to print what the code for that is, I could store that by saying int, and let's just call this test equals my char. And then what I have to do is I have to, oh, not my char, second char. And then I can just print system.out.print, let's print test. Oh, and let's print it on a new line so I can actually see that it's printing. Still not going on to a new line, so let's force a line there. Okay, so I've appended a new line onto the front of test so that it prints, and you can see here that it prints 98. And if you look up on your table, which I am doing now, just to double check that this has worked, and I go to 98, I can see that lowercase b is there. So I could do the same going back the other way and create a char array, print it out in normal integers, and I could start to create a code machine, if you will. Okay, right, have fun.